Hey everyone, we're going to talk about different sizes of edge bevelers and when to use which sizes. Now, generally speaking, the smaller the number on the edge beveler, the less amount it's going to take off of your edge. So I have here two ends of the spectrum. I have a 4, which is a very large edge beveler, and I have a 00, which is a very tiny edge beveler. Almost impossible to use, but we're going to try in this video. What I like to do is I like to pair my small edge beveler sizes with my thin leathers. So this is good for, say, pocket tops, anything 2-3 ounces. All you're going to do is you're going to line up your edge beveler on that edge, and you can see we're barely taking off like a human hair's worth of leather. Now, what this is going to do, you might say that seems kind of useless, is over time, as if this were a pocket or a corner that's being exposed, ages, it's going to prevent this from curling, and it's going to prevent things like moisture from getting underneath. Now with a bigger edge beveler, this is a size 4, this is going to take off more leather, and we could go so far as to round the corners. Now this is good for a belt. It's good for full wallets where you have multiple layers together. But remember, you can also use smaller edge bevelers on thicker leather. You're just going to end up with more of a square profile to your edge. I don't know if I can use this on this one. There we go. Now, over time, that's still going to age nicely because we took off the sharp corner, but you can see we have a more rounded profile on the side we used a 4 on, and we have much more square profile on the side we used a 00 on.